Manufacturing companies rely on PLM systems to create and store product-related information needed by functions across the value chain. Releasing the product data from PLM and sharing it across the company is often done in paper or email format, a slow, manual process that loses much of the intelligence built into the PLM system. It also creates uncontrolled copies, leading to quality management problems in the downstream functions. OpenText solves that problem by connecting data and content with business processes. Extended ECM for PLM lets you export released product content from PLM systems, maintaining connectivity and intelligence while adding distribution scalability to support a dispersed workforce. It also enables change control procedures to be initiated from the field, pushing the required changes back to PLM for updates. In addition to synchronizing released product data, it enables seamless integration of additional information to create a comprehensive 360-degree view of product information. Most importantly, Extended ECM for PLM integrates into your primary manufacturing systems, such as SAP, Maximo, or Office 365, to make the product content and data available to users when and where it's needed. It's time to work smarter and place product data at the center of your information systems, maximizing quality and operational excellence while building an information system fit for the future. OpenText Extended ECM for PLM. Contact us today to learn more.